Just like every other object in the universe, our planet is constantly under attack. From space, countless fragments of rock and metal travel at incredible speeds, and some of them cross paths with Earth. Most of the time, these objects are tiny, burning up completely in the atmosphere before they ever reach the ground. But occasionally, something much larger survives the descent and makes it all the way to the surface. Hello everyone, and welcome to Academy of the Universe. Today, we are going to explore some of the most fascinating objects that have collided with our planet and the impact they have left behind. You might be wondering what kind of objects actually reach Earth, so let's take a closer look. One of the most famous meteorites ever discovered is the Allende meteorite. Although relatively small compared to others, it is one of the most scientifically important. Around 5 in the morning on February 8, 1969, residents in northern Mexico were awakened by a bright fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a powerful explosion. Some believed it was the beginning of a war, or even the end of the world. As the object entered the atmosphere, it broke apart, scattering hundreds of fragments across a wide area. Most of these pieces fell near a small village called Pueblito de Allende, with weights ranging from just a few grams to over 100 kilograms. Scientists believe that before entering Earth's atmosphere, this meteorite was about the size of a car and weighed more than 5 tons. Even more impressive is its age, estimated to be over 4.5 billion years, making it as old as or even older than Earth itself.
Another incredible object is the Hoba meteorite, the largest single piece of extraterrestrial material ever found on Earth. Discovered in Namibia in 1920, this massive object is composed mainly of iron and nickel and is considered one of the largest naturally occurring metal masses on the planet. It is estimated to weigh around 60 tons today, although it may have originally been much heavier, possibly over 90 tons before erosion and human interaction reduced its mass over time. Interestingly, there is no visible crater where Hoba landed, and no clear evidence of a violent impact, which makes it even more mysterious. Its relatively flat and stable shape has even led some to speculate unusual origins, although there is no scientific evidence to support such ideas. What makes Hoba truly fascinating is not just its size, but the fact that it has remained largely intact for tens of thousands of years, offering a rare opportunity to study material that formed far beyond our planet. But these are only small examples compared to what Earth has experienced in its distant past. Because if we go back millions of years, the scale of these impacts become far more dramatic, and their consequences far more devastating.
Now we move to one of the most famous impact events in Earth's history, the Chicxulub asteroid. This is the object most widely associated with the extinction of the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. The impact site is located in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and although part of the crater is submerged underwater, it remains one of the best preserved large impact structures on the planet. Scientists estimate that the Chicxulub crater is about 150 kilometers in diameter and nearly 20 kilometers deep, making it one of the largest known impact craters on Earth. For a long time, there was debate about the size of the asteroid that caused it, with estimates ranging widely from 10 to 80 kilometers in diameter. But more recent studies suggest it was likely between 17 and 21 kilometers wide. The angle of impact also played a crucial role. Evidence indicates that the asteroid struck Earth at a steep angle, between 45 and 60 degrees, which is considered one of the most destructive scenarios possible. This impact released enormous amounts of energy, sending dust and debris high into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and triggering dramatic climate changes. If the asteroid had struck at a different angle, the outcome might have been very different, and dinosaurs might still exist today.
But Chicxulub is not the largest impact structure on Earth. One of the biggest known craters is the Vredefort crater, located in South Africa, with an estimated diameter of around 300 kilometers wide. This ancient structure formed about 2 billion years ago when a massive asteroid, likely between 10 and 15 kilometers wide, collided with Earth. The impact created a complex ring structure, similar to ripples spreading across water after a stone is dropped. Even larger and more mysterious is a possible impact structure hidden beneath the ice of Antarctica, known as the Wilkes Land Anomaly. Some scientists believe this could be an enormous crater, around 480 kilometers wide. If confirmed, it would be the largest known impact site on Earth, possibly formed by an asteroid more than 60 kilometers in diameter that struck the planet around 250 million years ago. This event may even be connected to one of the greatest extinction events in Earth's history, the Permian extinction, which wiped out nearly all marine life and a majority of life on land. Although scientists are still debating this possibility, it shows how powerful and transformative these cosmic collisions can be.
When most people think about mass extinctions, they immediately remember the event that wiped out the dinosaurs. But in reality, that was not the most devastating one. The Permian extinction was far more extreme, eliminating around 96% of marine species and nearly 3/4 of life on land. Even insects, which are usually highly resistant to extinction, were severely affected, leaving the planet almost completely lifeless. Scientists still debate the exact causes of this event, and while massive volcanic activity is often considered the main factor, some researchers continue to explore the possibility that a large impact may have played a role. Just like with the dinosaur extinction, it took years of evidence before the connection to Chicxulub became widely accepted, which shows how complex and difficult it is to fully understand events that happened hundreds of millions of years ago.
And these examples are only a small glimpse into the long and violent history of cosmic collisions that have shaped our world. Over billions of years, Earth has been struck by objects of all sizes, some barely noticeable, and others capable of transforming the entire planet. Some scientists even believe that shortly after its formation, Earth experienced a colossal collision with a Mars-sized body known as Theia, an event so powerful that it may have led to the formation of the Moon itself. Events like these remind us that our planet exists in a constantly evolving universe, where stability is never guaranteed, and where even a single impact can change the course of life forever. At the same time, they also highlight something remarkable. Despite all these threats, life has persisted, adapted, and evolved again and again. If you enjoyed this journey through some of the most powerful impacts in Earth's history, don't forget to subscribe to Academy of the Universe and join us as we continue exploring the forces that shape our cosmos. There are still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and we are just getting started. See you in the next journey.